we're just going to quickly go over how to download video footage in DW Spectrum. The first thing you're going to want to do is select the camera that you're going to want to search for video footage on. And so this is just a camera. And what we can do is, first of all, we can see this green timeline on the bottom. This is a live view of the camera currently as it is. And down on the bottom is the green timeline of everything that has been recorded. By default, it shows you everything. And so in this camera system's case, we can go all the way back to sometime in August to see what video footage has been recorded. If we hit this plus sign right here, we can zoom in. Let's say all we want to do is search from between 7 a.m. today to right now, which is just after 9 a.m. If we click on this smart search button up here, it's a picture of a little guy with some little waves behind him. We can click on that, and then we can highlight a particular area that we want to search, and you'll see how it shows up in red. On the right-hand side, you're going to see some snapshots of motion. We can see some vehicles go there. Let's say, hypothetically, we want to look at this vehicle right here. So we can click on that image, and now we can see the van is backing up right there. So, sorry, my phone is ringing in the background. We'll just ignore that. Let's say that this is the scene that you want to record in. If we zoom in, we'll see that little red area gets a little bigger on the timeline. This is where there was motion in the screen, and this is the motion for that vehicle. And so if we just click here and then drag over, so it's highlighted in blue, and you'll see the video scrub a little bit. And so this, let's say that this is the area that you want to download. It's highlighted in blue, and then we're going to right click, and then we're going to select export video. And right here is, we can name it. And so we can name it red van and the date if we want to. Whatever naming convention you would like to use, you can use. We do have a few options up here. We can put a timestamp on it, and you'll see the timestamp is right up there. We can add text. And so when we download video footage for police, we always add this text. That's just something that we do for ourselves. So if anybody has any questions, they can contact us and ask us about it. And then all we're going to do is hit export. And so it will download. And keep in mind that this is a remote site, so it is a little slower than it will be if you're local to where the camera system is. And the export has been completed. To access that, you can go over here to your local files on the left-hand side, and you'll see that video clip. So let's just click out of that for a second. If we drag it up, we can see that clip, and we can watch the playback video footage right there. So downloading video footage is very simple and straightforward and easy to do, and that's how you do it. You'll also notice that text that we talked about right on the bottom and the timestamp up along the top.